Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how I've assembled the pages for this beautiful journal. This is a journal about love, and I just kind of went through and picked the ones. I'm gonna link the kit below. Just pick the ones I love the best this way, and then you can kind of see the whole page. I just think these are so lovely. And this could go either way, but I'm going to use it this way since I'm putting it as a journal page. But this would be really cute to print several of them on a page, maybe 4, and make them smaller. 6 would make them really tiny, like for a tag or something. And I've done that with this one. I just love that. I think that's so cute. Some of them I've repeated in here because I liked them so well. I just love the colors. They're just gorgeous. So I love that the hearts are not overplayed, but yet there's a few. And so then here are some of the little cutesies that I've made so far. A few pieces of scrap paper I've just stowed away in here. And this is just a little piece of vellum. This I did with a stencil that I made in Cricut Design Space, just out of paper. And this is just some paint I had on hand. So you can just have so much fun with things that you already have in your craft room. And I've had this trim for a long time too. I think it's so cute, like little roses. I love that. And then this one was really fun too. Just put a little lace on that. I'm just using a little vellum tag in there, scrap piece to write on, so that I can still see my stenciling job. A little piece of glue on that. Isn't that pretty that it's a metallic teal? And then I've just got a little scrap piece in here as well. And I had this ribbon on hand. I threw some lace over the top. There's another fun piece that I made. I think I'm going to put this in the center. This just has one of those fun twisty tie closures. So I had these little discs on hand for a long time. I backed them with some paper, and then I ran brad through and attached them like that. So it almost made it like a button. And then the string just ties around. And this opens up like this, and again. And each little flap has a fun piece of scrap paper in it. And then I made this little tablet inside as well. And I just had a tablet here. I tore it out and just made it fun. And again, some more little scrap papers. This particular kit, I guess I'll call it, it's not really a junk journal kit because it only is papers. But I loved them, and I just thought, well, I'll just make my own little ephemera pieces, and that'll just be creatively challenging and fun. So I think I want to put this in the middle, and this is kind of a repeat of this. And it's a little bit thick, but I think it'll be fine in the middle. Then I also crocheted these that I want to use in here somewhere. I just had fun with that. I love to make little pockets out of crocheted pieces, and I found this beautiful crushed velvet that I think I want to use as the cover on this. So this had something brighter. There's some really bright pieces in there, and I had to put these roses. Once I bought this, I thought, well, this kind of dictates the colors that I want to emphasize in here, and this definitely has it in these roses. So, and I love this cracked look on this that the artist did. So I think that is really going to be lovely. I can't wait to make the cover with something with this, and I'm going to make maybe a larger doily or something. So that'll be really fun. I also found these really cute keys that I want to implement a few of in there. And I found these. Aren't these cute? Maybe one of those in there. So I kind of want something up here and below it. And I'm liking this over this. So I'm going to leave a space so I can tuck something under it. And if that's not making any sense, you will just see in a minute. I'm going to use that beautiful crushed velvet. That's called terracotta. And obviously it's not like the terracotta I'm thinking of. That's like the orange terracotta. It's just a really pleasant color. Love it. Just on the bottom one is where I'm putting this. Okay, so I'm thinking this looks really just the way I wanted it. I'm ready to glue this down. I am simply going to hot glue this. This is where it's really nice to have something solid to hold your item in place and have it dry quickly. So I love this paper that is also in this digital kit, so I just tore a piece of it off. I like this too. It almost looks like crackle paint. So I'm just going to glue 3 sides of this, and mine is not perfect because I'm going for that kind of rough hewn look, which I just really enjoy, but obviously if you don't, just use a paper cutter and get it all perfect. Okay, so then this side still opens, and it makes sort of a little secret envelope for a note. And I'm going to use some of this vintage ledger that was also in the kit. I think that's so cool that she's made. Seal this end just right here a little bit. And what I'm going to do is put this in here like this. It can poke out the top, but it can't fall out the bottom. And I think these colors play well with this. It's going to go really nicely with this on the cover. Oh, I love it. Can't wait to make the cover. Maybe we'll do that one next. I like to make the bulk of the pages, and then I don't get my cover too small. So that's why I wait and do that kind of toward the middle or end when I have a pretty good idea how thick it's getting. Okay, so thanks for watching today.